Huge news! NIO sued by Audi. Have you heard about the controversy between Audi and NIO? What was going on in between them? And why Audi has filed a case against NIO? We will discuss here everything. Hello friends and welcome back to Stock Market News. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic. Why Audi has filed a case against NIO. And how will it affect the overall value of money? We will discuss here everything, so stick with the video till the end to know everything about it. According to a report that was published by the German newspaper Handelsblatt on Thursday, the automotive division of Volkswagen, known as Audi, is said to have taken the Chinese electric car manufacturer NIO to court in Munich for allegedly infringing upon Audi's trademark rights. The alleged violation of Audi's trademark rights occurred in conjunction with the production of electric vehicles. The purported infraction took place in conjunction with NIO's manufacturing of electric automobiles. According to a report in Handelsblatt, Audi believes that NIO's decision to label two of its models, ES6 and ES8, infringes upon Audi's trademark for the model designations S6 and S8 that it uses for the cars that it manufactures and sells under its brand name. A representative for NIO, who was asked to comment on the situation, chose not to do so. First things first, let's talk about NIO before we go into anything else. After the NIO brand was introduced in 2016 at the Saatchi Gallery in London, various companies decided to invest in the business. These companies included Tencent, Temasek, Sequoia, Lenovo, and TPG. The NIO EP9 sports car was the first model ever produced by the firm, and it was introduced to the public on the same day that the NIO brand was established. NIO announced in October 2016 as part of its autonomous vehicle program, stating that it had been given an autonomous vehicle testing permit by the California DMV and that it would begin testing on public roads following the guidelines established by the Autonomous Vehicle Tester Program. This was done as part of NIO's commitment to the development of autonomous vehicles. The company said that it expected to market autos that were competent in both Level 3 and Level 4 of the autonomous driving shortly. Launched in May of 2018, NIO's Power Exchange Station was the company's first battery exchange station. It is located in the Nanshan district of Shenzhen, which is in the province of Guangdong, China. Batteries designed specifically for use in ES8 vehicles are the only kind that will be sold at this repair location. In September 2018, the company submitted the necessary papers to the New York Stock Exchange to make an initial public offering with a price tag of $1.8 billion to $2 billion US. Late in April of the year 2020, NIO made the news that it has been provided with extra financing of around $1 billion from a group of Chinese investors. Because the company was having problems selling its autos, the company needed this cash immediately. NIO would transfer its assets to a newly constituted subsidiary that would be called NIO China and would have its headquarters in Hefei as part of this arrangement. Battery as a Service, or BaaS, was first introduced by NIO in August 2020. At the same time, the organization collaborated with Contemporary Amperex Technology Company Limited, Hubei Science Technology Investment Group Limited, and a subsidiary of Gultai Junan International Holdings Limited to found a battery asset management company. In return for their investment of around $31.6 million, each investor will get a share in the company equal to 25% of the total ownership. BaaS brings about a price reduction of around 25% for the purchase of NIO electric automobiles. NIO made public its ambitions to expand into Norway in May 2021, indicating that the nation would receive its first automotive shipments at the latest in September 2021. NIO's expansion into Norway is slated to take place in the following year. A total of 24,439 ES8, ES6, and EC6 were shipped by NIO during the third quarter of 2021, which contributed to the company setting a new quarterly delivery record. When compared to the number from the previous year, this shows an increase of 100.2%. NIO said on NIO Day in December 2021 that it plans to launch its user enterprise in the nations of Germany, Denmark, the Netherlands, and Sweden in the year 2022. Now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about the Audi automotive firm. The German car maker Audi AG, or simply Audi in certain contexts, specializes in the production of premium vehicles and goes by the name Audi. Ingolstadt, which is situated in the region of Bavaria in Germany, serves as the location of the organization's primary office. Automobiles with the brand name Audi are produced by Volkswagen Group, of which Audi is a subsidiary. Volkswagen Group is the parent company of the Audi brand. Audi's global footprint includes 9 production sites spread all over the world. The history of the company is tangled, beginning in the early 20th century with the establishment of the initial businesses, Horsch and the Audi Werk, by engineer August Horsch, and the establishment of 2 other manufacturers, DKW and Wanderer, which led to the establishment of Auto Union in 1932. The history of the company begins in earnest in 1932 with the establishment of the Auto Union, and one of the firms that contributed to the establishment of the corporation was called the Audi Werk. The contemporary period of Audi began in the 1960s when Volkswagen purchased Auto Union from Daimler-Benz. This transaction marked the beginning of the modern era for Audi. After reintroducing the Audi name to the market in 1965 with the launch of the Audi F103 series, Volkswagen eventually combined Auto Union with NSU Motor and Werk in 1969, which resulted in the formation of the company in its current iteration. The corporation was named after the founder of the business, August Horsch, who had his surname translated into Latin. From there, the business acquired its current name. The word listen in Latin is Audi, which is derived from the German word Horsch, which means here. The 4 rings that make up the Audi logo each represent one of the 4 automotive manufacturers that joined forces to establish the company that would later become known as Auto Union, which is the company that Audi's predecessor was. The German automobile manufacturer Audi has the slogan Vorsprung durch Technik, which may be translated as being ahead via technology. Audi, together with its German sister marques BMW and Mercedes-Benz, is one of the most well-known and widely distributed luxury automobile brands throughout the whole world. When it comes to sales, Audi's among the top 10 brands. Therefore, at this point, we've worked with both firms, so now let's have a look at the debate they're having with each other. On the 22nd of February, 2022, it was reported that NIO is making preparations to begin producing its phones in anticipation of entering the Chinese smartphone market. The company has just launched a smartphone department in Shenzhen, and to grow the team, it's now looking for fresh employees to join. This development comes after competing automobile makers Geely and Volvo made public statements on their intentions to start producing mobile phones. Reuters was unable to get in touch with an Audi official promptly who could provide a comment on the matter. The majority of NIO sales up to that time had been generated in China due to the premium nature of the brand. The business made its debut on the market in Norway in May the year before, and it hopes to do the same in Germany, the Netherlands, Sweden, and Denmark by the time this year is up. On the other hand, the firm has said that it intends to make its debut in Germany using the electric sedan model ET7 rather than the ES8 model, which was used to begin sales in Norway. That's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if yes, please like and share it with your friends. Please tell us too in the comment box what you guys thought about the video. And if you want to watch more like this, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. And thanks for watching!